Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover your Monopoly Go account. First is you just need to head into your Monopoly application. And then before doing this video, I want to remind you that you just need to create a second account in order for you to recover the account that you want, since we have lost an access to our main Monopoly Go account. So after logging in, you will see the menu icon here. Click this and then click the settings. Click the customer service. After clicking the customer service, you will see a lot of tabs here. You can enter or search for article that is related for recovering your account, but for this video, we are not doing that since it's a time-consuming process. So just go back to the screen and then click the share your thoughts and tell us what you think. Then scroll a little until you see the chat with us. In the chat with us, we will be connecting with a real customer service agent in order for us to recover our Monopoly account. So just talk here and fill in all the details that is needed in order to recover the Monopoly Go account. They will just send an email or a report that includes or concludes the recovery of your account. And that's how you can recover your Monopoly Go account, and thank you for listening.